Introducing the WXO by Nightingale. Here's how to make the most of your new task chair. Start by adjusting the height of your seat. To lower, lift the lever on the right-hand side of the chair upwards while sitting. To raise the height, lift the same lever with all your weight off the seat. Next, adjust your tilt position. To lock chair in the upright position, pull lever up on left-hand side of seat and release. To lock the chair in full recline position, pull the lever all the way down. To unlock from this position, pull the lever up to the middle position and lean back into the chair so that the lock will release. To free float the chair, pull up if in the recline or push down from the upright lock position to the middle position and chair will tilt freely. The WXO features a self-weighted mechanism that adjusts the tension to the weight of the user with its unique torsion system automatically. To adjust the arm height, lift the trigger found just below the arm pads and move into desired position. Release to lock. Your arm should be at a 90-degree angle for optimum comfort and support. To pivot your armrests, press and hold the trigger found on the underside of the arm pad. Adjust to desired angle and release to lock. Now, this WXO chair is uniquely yours.